Hi everyone, my name's Electric Donkey and today we're back doing another Donkey's Feedback kind of video. So today we're reviewing a game called The Note Writer, and it's a browser game. It's HTML5. It's a game about a writer that writes the future. He has set foot on a journey to write about the mythical beast Eola and the people of the world's sightseeings of it. I guess that kind of makes sense. This is a graphical text-based game with map orientation. It's kind of rare to see a graphical text-based game. Normally there's some other kind of element in there other than just text, but we'll see. I guess we'll see how it works. And yep, it is a HTML5 game, and it starts off with this. One thing to note before that, I'm not sure if it was you or whether it was just Game Jolt or not, I'm not sure, but there was a little ad at the start. Personally, on a work in progress in the game state, if you want feedback, having an ad isn't great if it's up to you. If it's not up to you, if it's Game Jolt that's doing it, then that's absolutely fine. I don't really care then. But yeah, if possible, get rid of it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We've just lost the note. Okay, there it comes back. So dear readers, my adventure starts on a Monday at 11 AM. I want to write about that mystery bird that many have seen, but is thought as just a bedtime story. I believe this is real. I will have to ask the woodcutter for rumours. Hanks told me that he lives north in the forest, and you've got a kind of weird looking picture here. So the face is fine, and then you kind of got this like stick-like body. I'm not sure if that's intentional or not, but anyway. Woodcutter Garfield made a deal with me. I'm now tracking down rabbits of all forms and smell. All I need is to just butcher one and I will get insider information. Okay, and then you just got a random blank sheet at the end. You also walk incredibly slowly, like very slowly, and there's also appears to be a weird line like there that runs all the way along. If you just look carefully, if we go back to if you look here, it's just kind of around that bit there. And it follows you as you move with a view. I'm not quite sure what's going on there. So the art, just right away, is not bad. The player is a bit off, and to be fair, it doesn't fit in with the dark, kind of well shaded atmosphere. My guess would be that the background bits are imported assets maybe, and you've done the play yourself, or maybe he just rushed the play and didn't have time to finish it off properly. I'm not sure, either one. But yeah, he's constantly running as well, even if he's not actually going anywhere. And just quickly, whilst we're on the topic of this, these here are quite clearly tile sets. You can make out that is one block, and it's just made up of loads of little blocks in it. It makes for a weird looking thing because it doesn't all flow together. It doesn't quite work. You've clearly just dropped them in chunks. Yeah, it's not great. The path does work. This bit does work, just not for the trees. It doesn't really for me. Also, I think these are houses. There's a weird black background around it. Realistically, that should be transparent, but that's kind of nitpicky. It just doesn't quite work altogether. So we're going to go on a little adventure, see how far south we can go. We do move incredibly slow. There is no run or anything. Okay, there's a weird black bit at the bottom. I'm going to go see what that does. Absolutely nothing. You can run off the screen. You can run down the bottom of the screen. That's not great. Maybe have some impassable trees or something or other. We do move incredibly slowly though. Please, if anything, just speed up the running. for the future. That would be nice. What happens if we go to one of these villages or something? So I feel like they're scattered around, or what I think of villages. Okay, yep. Hello, I'm writing a book about real life events of Eolac. Or Eolar, which one? Eolac? Eolar. It's a mystery. We'll never know. So they're writing a book. And what key do we press to get out of this? We can't run up, we can't run down, we can't run out of it. We're stuck forever. And none of the buttons seem to do anything, so that might be a glitch, possibly. I don't think there's a way we can get out of this. I think we might be a bit stuck. Which, yeah, it's a game-breaking glitch, especially on a HTML5 game, because if I refresh it, I have to start all over again. Yeah, this is what came up before. This ad supports the developer, so yeah. But anyway, we're not going to go through that because we have to watch the ad again. That takes a while. So from that short little bit I saw, there's kind of a mixed match of art styles and works and what's going on. Now this is what's weird. Now I'm not sure if it was a bug, because on your screen these are all laid out nicely, neatly in grid format. Whereas on mine it was coming out not very nice. It was kind of all over the place. So it might be through the HTML code, possibly. Way to fix that would be release a Windows version. It's probably quite easy to convert from HTML to Windows. It's probably not got that much difficulties involved in it. And also saw that player and the movement speed. That's kind of the key things that go wrong here. And that glitch, then I'm not sure what happened, so that maybe needs some workaround. Unfortunately, we didn't get to play the whole game because we can't actually go back without watching the ad again, which again might be a problem. But if it's just Game Jolt, then whatever, you know, you can't really do anything about that, apart from host your own server, but that is a lot of effort. So yeah, that was my quick review of the Note Writer. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, or as you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.